Hello friends, Autosum function is used to sum the values and it is one of the most used function in the Excel. In today's video, we will learn some tricks to increase its normal capabilities. So let us begin with this video. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe it. Do your comment, like the video, share the video on social media so that your friends and family get the benefit. Let us begin with our example. You can use the Autosum to calculate the sum of the values horizontally or the vertically. Here I have day-wise revenue. I want to do the calculation. We can easily use it from the home tab. It is here. You can see a small arrow. Click over here. You will get some more options available for calculation. So you can use average, count, min, max, or you can use Autosum on formula. You can click over here or you can do some other things as well. Simply just click over here. It will give you the range which is very nearest to this cell and press enter. You got your calculation. Select the cell, come to the formula tab, double click over here. It will do the same. Sometimes we select the cells and now we want to get the total of these numbers. So simply you can come to the formula tab and click on the Autosum. You will get the answer, or press undo this time, press Alt equal, then also you will get the same result. So this is the easiest way to do the total of the numbers. You can also include a empty cell, the sum, or using the shortcut keys you will get the same results. So click over here. Sometimes you have multiple rows or columns. If you want to do the total of these values on the right hand side, so you can select these ones and select one empty column and press on this Autosum icon. You will get the answer, or you can use the shortcut key Alt equal sign. You will get the result. Also, if you don't want to select the numbers or the ranges, so you can select the empty cell in which you want the results, then click over here on the Autosum. You will also get the results, but you still want to save some more time. You can select the range, one empty column on the right hand side and one empty row on the below side. Then also you can use either the shortcut key equal Alt plus equal sign, or you can click on the Autosum, then also you will get the result. Here are the totals are coming, and on the below side as well. In the same way, if you want average instead of the sum, so you just undo these ones, select these ranges and click over here and select the average, and definitely you want to change the numbers of these decimal places. In some cases you might be total of values located in some odd locations. For example, if I want to do the total of some ranges or cells values from this table or these tables, so we can use this trick as well. Type sum or press Alt equal. It will give you some automatically guess, so you can do the calculation, but you want to calculate the sum of these range, and now press comma. You want to do sum of these values, then comma. You can select some numbers from here as well, and you can give as many as ranges you want, and you will get the total. Press Control Enter. You will get the result. Press F2 to see the ranges. So this is the another way to get the total. We can also calculate the total of time. We can see this list of times is given over here, so we can use the sum function for calculating the total of the time as well. Simply you can click on the sum button, or you can press Alt equal, the shortcut key, press enter, and you get the total of 338 but it's not the right answer. If you do the total of these, so you will get 2738. It's a matter of format. You need to change the format of this cell. You can do it by right click over here. You can come to the format cell, and by default it may be possible you will on the general category or anywhere else, so you need to select the time. You should check this one. You can see this format. You need to select this 37.31. in this you have seconds as well, but if you don't want to see the seconds, so now come to the custom option and you need to remove from the right hand side these double s. Clear these ones as well. Now press OK. We can also calculate the average. Click over here, select the average, and by default it will give, or it will include the cells all from the above list, but we need to exclude the total from here. So we can just adjust these selected range, or we can highlight the other cells as well and press enter. So this time we got this one, but we need to include seconds in this as well. So right click over here, come to the format cell, and this time we will include the double s, or we can select another option available for time format with seconds. Select these and press OK button. You got your answer. So hopefully guys, you will get the benefit of these shortcuts of Autosums. You will use these techniques in your daily routine work. It will increase your efficiency using the Autosum function. If you have any query, do your comment. I'll try my best to give the answer as soon as possible. On the top right or left, you will see some playlist or video related to the Excel tutorials. Click over there, watch the videos, or share these videos or playlist on social media so that your friends and family get the benefit. Thank you once again for visiting our video. Please come back again. Thank you.